Hello everyone, welcome to this first video lecture of the course. In this lecture we're going to learn how to get free hosting and domain of our website. So go to Google and then type in web host 000, hit enter. From there click on this link, then click on sign in. From there you can log in with your Google account. Okay, so my Google account and then password. That's it, we have created our account. Then click on take me to the panel. From there let's set up our website domain, and you have got to set up your own domain name which should be unique. So let me set up mine, caps WordPress. Let's and then set up your password, then click on submit button. Okay, so this will create your domain name. Okay, so your domain name has been created. Then click on select button to install WordPress. So admin username, let it be admin, and then enter your preferred password and then click on install. This will install WordPress on the server. So let us wait for it to complete. Here we go, installation has been successful. So click on this button, go to configuration page to move to WordPress admin dashboard. So once you click on the button, here you will have to enter your username, which was admin, and your password. Okay, and then hit enter. So this is your WordPress admin dashboard. So here you can see these ads. All these ads are because we are using free hosting. So let's close all these ads. So that's it. In the next lecture I'm going to teach you how to install WordPress theme and required plugins. So that's it for now. See you soon.